He says, have you had any drinks? No, sir, I have not.
You picked me up.
Huh?
You picked me up.
I picked you up? From where? From where?
Not like a high. So,
Am I supposed to stop? Can I pull? Okay.
easy. He fucking believes this shit.
What the heck is this?
Dude, there's so many cars pulling from this
I
side.
know. What the heck is going on?
We're good though. Don't be like, just be like, hi, how are you tonight?
How are you?
Good. Yeah, check your license, your driver's license. Thank you. Still in Cornelius?
Yes.
All right, you have anything to drink tonight?
No, I have not.
All right, have a good night.
Thank you.
Exactly, officer. I've only had like how much vodka?
I want to throw up right now.
I was totally recording the whole thing.
I want to throw up.
I want to fucking throw up right now. Oh, we can't be too happy yet. I have a fucking headache
No, we
so
can't.
bad.
I'm never
So
drinking again.
All right, this is the chicken store.
It is.
We made it. Yes.
Fuck.
Go right. No, don't go right yet. Go straight. Go forward. Where that car is coming. No, now get in your right lane.
Yeah, at the last minute.
Yes. Oh my God. Do you know that my fucking brain is coming out of...
I think I'm dying right now. Where do I go? Can I park here? I need to park here. Stop.
I fucking love you.